Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to pause Reels video. This feature is a very recent feature. Previously, we could not stop the video, we only mute the sound. Before you can use this feature, you need to go to the App Store and update Instagram to the latest version. Once updated, you will be able to click on the video and it will stop the video itself. However, if this method didn't work for you and you still can't stop the video, you can do the following. You can open any video and slide it a little to the side, then that video will stop. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.